Hey, I'm paying $1 to show in front of you so I can be of help to you. I'm coming to you from DC, and this is less than a minute. Whether you're in DC or anywhere in the US, this is for you. How do you rate yourself with your money skills, your financial skills? Can you make few changes? Maybe small changes, if not a lot. Well, obviously, we can all improve with our financial skills, money skills. Uh, it can be saving, managing, investing, making more money, all those things. Imagine you are living your ideal life where all money problems are gone. What's it's like? Can you imagine your life, living your ideal life where all your money problems are taken care of? Well, you can always improve your skills with financial education and making small changes. So come to my channel and check out all the good valuable financial stuff, and I have using percentage thinking. So I want to tell you about percentage thinking and how that can give you different perspective in many things in your life. Subscribe to my channel if you're seeing it somewhere. Open my video and subscribe to my channel, and you will see there a video about how to use percentage thinking, so you can see the big picture. You can think in terms of relative percentages, not just numbers, and it can be useful to save money or make more money or even invest money, and think in terms of big picture and long-term results. So if you're still seeing this, click the video, go to my channel, subscribe, and you can find my contact there.